Use an eye pencil or eyeliner to outline your brows before threading. Tie a knot with a piece of thread to create a loop. Twist to pull hair from the root. Make sure you avoid pulling on your skin. You could even practice on your legs before threading your brows. Apply jojoba oil before dermaplaning to give your skin more slip. Make sure that the facial razor is at a 45-degree angle. Begin short, quick strokes while holding your skin taut. Don't go over the same area twice. Melt your wax beads in a wax warmer until the wax is a brownie batter consistency. It should be a little thick but not too runny. Spread the wax in the direction of hair growth and pull it off in the opposite direction. Hold the area taut before ripping the wax off. Apply witch hazel to newly waxed skin to soothe. Start with a breakout controlling salicylic acid cleanser and massage into skin for at least a minute. Use a physical exfoliating scrub with very light pressure. Use a jade roller all over the face. The coolness of real jade gives best results for depuffing and reducing inflammation. Add a hydrating face mask to bring moisture back into the skin. Finish off with a lightweight gel moisturizer instead of a thick cream, which could clog your pores and add more oil to the skin. This brow lamination kit from Amazon comes with all the tools you need to try this at home. Make sure your brows are thoroughly clean. You could even use witch hazel. Apply the lifting solution. Finer hair will need less time with the lifting solution, while coarse hair will need more time. Remove the lifting solution in the direction you want the hair to lie. Apply the fix solution to brows. Be very careful not to move brow hairs out of place during this step. Leave the lifting and fix solutions on for the same amount of time. Apply the nourishing oil after to keep brow hair hydrated and healthy. Keep the sugaring paste moving at your fingertips, rotating clockwise with your thumb. Keep your thumb behind the sugar while spreading and use the back of your nails to mold the sugar in. Hold skin taut, flatten your fingers parallel, and then flick forward. Apply pressure with the opposite hand after removing the sugaring paste to help with the pain.